everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration what to build with Lego bricks. Today I'm back with another monthly mini build from Lego. This came from February 2018, it's number 40277 and it's a car with a petrol pump. And I will show you how to make this. And I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start off with a 2x8 base plate. This is a especially good base plate when you're making small cars like this one. And this 2x2 base plate with two wheel attachments. I think you call it like that, like this. No. Yes, it is like this. Okay, and you're gonna need another one of them stuck over here, and 2x4 base plates. This is in the kind of orange yellow color, yellow orange color, half yellow half orange, and another one of those orange colored base plates. Just this one is 2x8 over here. And now we're going to add a 2x3 standard base plate at the back here, and a side attachment plate at the front. This is going to be the front, and a 1x2 standard base plate behind that. Now for the sides, we're going to bring in a standard 1x4 brick over on this side, and a 1x3 standard brick over here, and a 1x1 side attachment brick like this. We're gonna stick it over here, and this kind of round, really small tile. This is gonna cover our petrol inlet that most cars have. Now for the front, we're going to be adding this. This is a black 1x4. I don't know. It's something mechanical because it fits with cogs, but I don't know the name for it. Anyway, apart from that, we need a 1x2 standard base plate at the back here. Now we're going to add mirrors. So these side attachment plates with the round side attachment on both sides. Here, I find these are very good for mirrors on loads of different cars, and 1x3 tiles, the odd number tiles, over here on the side. Now, to add a bit of aerodynamics to our car, we're going to add these. I don't know what the name for it is, but then I don't know the name of lots of things in Lego, so it doesn't really matter. So now we're going to add a steering wheel. So you get a steering wheel. This one came with a steering wheel that is all black. Usually steering wheels come in two colors, but this one is all black. But anyway, get any steering wheel over here, and what are these called? Grill pieces. This one's in metallic silver over here. Now for the front of our car, we need this kind of slope piece, a 2x2 slope piece, and these 1x4 slope pieces at the back, and it's not going to go anywhere at the moment because it needs the wheels. So we're going to make the wheels just these really small wheel rims and really small tires. These are kind of the more rugged type. You get your wheels like this, and then you just insert the tires. It's good. It's a bit rough because it's rubber tires, so get in there. Bring the car back and attach the axle kind of side into these pins, wheel attachments, like so. Now I can roll about anywhere. Now to fill our car up, we need the petrol pump now. So a 2x3 standard base plate and a 2x2 brick. Now we're gonna add some side attachment bricks two of them one by one, and we're gonna attach them over. Wait a second, this should be the other way around. These over here, yeah, and a 1x2 brick with a hole in it over here, and this kind of blue piece, round pin with stud on the side, because we're going to be using that stud to attach this kind of tongs piece over here. In this direction we're going to add a printed roof tile checkout piece, kind of cash register, and two last pieces. This is a kind of blaster, and this tube pipe piece. So first of all, you stick this like so, slot this into the side attachment brick here, and snap this over here. Yep, that's our petrol pump, and we can bring our car back, and there we've done it. So this car I especially like, because unlike other cars that you might do, these ones do fit in minifigures. And to show you, I'm going to bring in one of my little minifigures to put in the car here. It looks especially cute, this little car. It's nothing too serious, but it works, and it has the petrol pump over here, so we can unplug that, bring in our petrol pump. At the beginning, the tube will be a bit stiff, but there we go. Now we're filling our car up. So that's the end of our video. I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that has inspired you, and until next time, happy building!